Until when you are gonna wait for the perfect moment, for being perfectly ready to work on your goals? Clarity doesn't come with waiting, it comes with doing. We often wait for the right time for our confidence to appear magically. But this is not how it works. You gotta take first steps even though you are feeling uncomfortable or you are being afraid of it. You needn't know about every step, just the next step is enough. What if giving up wasn't an option? I know life is pretty hard sometimes, but nobody actually cares because it is hard for them as well. You must have noticed that people go to winners to ask them how they won. Nobody goes to the ones who failed to know why they didn't make it. The moment you say I quit and you mean it, nothing would act in your favor and you won't be able to achieve it. You would be surprised to know how resourceful you could be if you have no other option than doing it anyways. The perfect example could be that of your school, that when you have deadline of tomorrow, you complete your task anyways. You are going to wake up throughout the night, you'll do all the thing which is necessary to get your job done. When it comes to personal goals, giving up is always an option because you don't have any deadline. And you being you don't respect yourself and you don't stick on your words and you stop working on your goals. You must have realized that whenever we back out from something, going back into the working stage is something very difficult to do. So we mentally gotta shut off that door behind us. We shouldn't leave the door behind us open so that we can get back whenever we want to. There is a story which can make this point sensible to you. It's about pirates who used to attack islands to capture its resources. They would do one super important thing. They used to burn their own boats. They used to burn their own boats so that there is literally no door behind them and they have no way out than to capture the island and snatch their boats to leave that island.